What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and this right here is a battery air pump, digital pressure gauge, and it inflates up to 150 psi. Now we are going to test this. It says it does car tires, bicycle tires. Basically, if you could do a car tire, then you basically doing most stuff, right? It don't say truck tires on there, and that's about it. So we are already in the RYOBI ecosystem, so we have plenty of batteries. Let's go ahead and open the box. Open the box, and of course, instructions. As always, can't go wrong with RYOBI, and this thing is nice and compact. Very nice and compact. You always get this pamphlet of the hundreds of RYOBI tools that you can get. I'll just look at it and see what other tool that I want. All right, you guys, so here's your digital indicator. Here is the line for your air, and that's about it. You got your trigger right here, and then you can pump up your exercise ball, and you could pump up your tires right there. And then of course you could just use this to pump up the car tires. All right, you guys, we have a 4 amp battery here, fully charged. Put it in. I forgot to tell y'all, this is 25 bucks. I think that's a pretty good price. The price that I got it for was $19.99. So I got this right before Black Friday. But right after Black Friday, it went straight to 25, so they took $5 off. I don't know the actual retail price on it, but it's neither here or there. I have a digital one, battery one, and I have the other one right here. It's supposed to stay in my wife's car, but we never have it in there. All right, so we have the regular one. Now we have a battery power one. And let's see how long this thing lasts. I am going to fill up all 4 tires on the truck, the tires on my car. I'm gonna do my car first because some of my tires are low, getting low, but let's go ahead and see how this works. Okay, you guys, so I did fill up my tires 3 days ago because my front tires was really going flat, but right now we have the battery in, and I don't know how to turn it on, so let's hit the trigger. All right, I hit the trigger and it comes on automatically. Now, you may have a question on can you set your pressure gauge and all that, and I don't believe so. Once I get more into this, I'll let you know. All right, taking that off. Gonna hook this up to the tire. Sorry, you guys, put some lotion on my hands and now my hands are slippery. All right, so I have no reading on here. I have it hooked up and I get no reading. I pumped it, I hit the trigger, and it's letting me know it's 28 psi on it. So sorry if y'all can't see it, but there you go. It says 28 psi. Now it says 30. Okay, back to 30. All right, so I'm gonna test this out a different way. Okay, you guys, so my dad had this spare tire for many moons under his Ford Ranger, and this spare tire wasn't for his Ford Ranger. So he left the tire here. I told him I'll take it because I'll use it for test reviews. And what do you know? I'm actually going to use it for a test review. All right, you guys, so we are going to test this pump out to its maximum capability. Well, try to. It might not be the maximum, but we're going to test this little bad boy out. All right, so let's go ahead and release as much air as possible from this tire. I already released air from doing a review with this stem thing. All right, you guys, I think it's empty enough for this test. All right, you guys, so I got as much air as I could out of this tire. Now I am going to pump it up. And of course, I gotta show y'all this. I have a full battery, all right? Tap it. All right, so we had 35 PSI. You see that? 1 bar used, and we pumped this 0 to 35. If you're doing this and if you have semi-low pressure, then I'm pretty sure that your battery will still be fully charged. If not, you will lose 1 battery. Okay, everybody, so now I'm about to do the last test on this, and it's on my son's bike. And I put a new stem on there, and this bike is fully flat, like 0%. I'm gonna go ahead, hit the trigger, and it says 0 PSI right there. I'm going to pump it up, and y'all can actually see how flat it is. So let's go ahead with this experiment. All right, so how much pressure is supposed to be in this tire? I'll just do it until it feels right. For the bike enthusiasts out there, you can tell me, I know it's on the tire, but the tires are dirty and I don't have time to look at that. So right now I'm at 28. That's all I'm going to put in here because my kids are not riding the bike right now. They don't ride in the winter time, but I'm just filling the tires. So for 1, for the sake of the review, and 2, I had to put it away, and 3, it is winter time. All right. Let's get into the final review. This thing is 20 inches long, and you can wrap it up, and that's it. That's how you put it away. All right, you guys, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I usually make fun of instructions and, you know, throw the user manual to the side and all that, but in this review, I think the user manual will be helpful for you just in case you're just taking it out the box and you just think you're just going to just do whatever you want with a truck tire or whatever tire you need to inflate. All right, so once again, the maximum pressure that this outputs is 150 PSI. So we got that out the way. Now, one important thing you need to know, and it's on operation. I would snap a photo for you. So operation, the inflator is not designed for continuous use. Once again, I'm gonna repeat that again. The inflator is not designed for continuous use. For every 5 minutes of the inflator use, 5 minutes of cool down time are required. So if you have this on continuously for 5 minutes, make sure you let go for 5 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna tell you why. When I was pumping up my tire from 0 to 35, I did smell like, you know, smell the burning from the machine. And I'm going along with them. So y'all saw when I was filling it up and I let go, I was just making sure that the machine take a break because I was smelling it, all right? And I know these things can overheat. Another thing that you need to know, you may use the inflator for the purpose listed below, inflating items such as motorcycles, cars, and bicycle tires. Note to this, the inflator is not designed for commercial applications. So if you have a tractor trailer or a dump truck, don't expect to use this little thing. always wear your PPE as they got right here, just in case this thing catch on fire or explode. At least your hands and your eyes, your face will be protected. Now, I know most people are not doing that, because if you catch a flat or on the highway, or if your tire looks like it's going flat, you're not going to have like your PPE in the car, you know. So, but that's just a note for the people that's in the shop. That's it with this RYOBI. I think it's still in Home Depot, $25. If not, then I'll try to find an online link and put it in the description. But yeah, this is pretty cool deal. Oh yeah, and then down here you have your basketball pump right here. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this review. If you like this review, please leave a like. If you know somebody that can use this tool right here, please share it to them. I would gladly appreciate it. And I hope this video helped you out also. And that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button so you can be notified on products that's coming to the channel.